Hi, I'm Zong. I do content in Visla, and I want to talk about our new text-to-video design. We made some updates to this feature, so I want to share those with you. Text-to-video allows you to create a video by just inputting text, like a script or an article, and then our AI will generate a video with relevant stock footage, background music, subtitles, everything that you need. This feature is great for videos where you want to control the story content, but don't want to spend time looking through libraries of stock footage and editing a video. Let me show you how it works and some of our new enhancements. Start off in Visla and click on Create Video, then select Text. You'll see that there are two different input boxes here. On the left-hand side, this is where you're going to paste your script, so I'll do that right now, making sure it's all there. You can also check Rewrite with AI to let our AI rewrite your story based on the text content. Leave it unchecked to use your text as the direct script. One of the new updates of this feature is that we can now parse through two-column scripts, meaning you can include the narration and the visual description of what you want to happen in that scene. Something like this. As you can see in scene 1, we have a visual script of what you want to happen and then the narration script. So you can now paste scripts like this, and our AI will do its best to match footage to the visual description you have in your script. Another enhancement to this feature is you can now give us more information about the type of video you want to create using the box on the right-hand side. You can include information like video type, target audience, tone, etc. For example, I want this video to be an explainer video type explainer video with target audience being marketers and tone is friendly. Now that I have both my text and my video description, I will go ahead and generate my video. Let's watch it.
Writing blogs is an art, but ensuring they reach the widest audience possible, that's a science.
This is a really great video. As always, you can edit the video by changing the footage, the story, the background music, the voiceover. There are many ways to enhance a generated video. I feel really good about where my video is at right now, so I will go ahead and export it, then I can download it and share. I love this feature because it's so great for creating educational videos with your own content. Try it out and let us know what you think.